Hey. Let me see what's going on in here. What's the flavor? Eh? Oh, this is good, babe.
You're gonna put your hand on the lever.
Here?
Yes. You want the pumpkin one?
This is the
That's the
pumpkin
one you
one?
want? Yeah. Push down. And when you're ready, stop.
Ooh.
When you're ready, you can stop. You want a different flavor too?
This one is which one?
There's sweet coconut, cake batter.
This one, sweet coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And then these are other flavors. The cheesecake strawberry.
Where's cheesecake?
This one.
Okay, this one. Cheesecake. Sounds like tummy running thing today.
And I told
I must put on data. Oh, whatever you want. Wow. Oh, blueberry. I'll take blueberry.
Cheesecake bites, brownie bites, everything is labeled on
Cheesecake. That's it.
Excellent choice. Excellent choice.
Thank you. Excellent
are?
choice.
We will go over there in a second.
Yummy.
Oh no.
Wow.
You don't want anything else?
No. You're so good, guys. Nice golden yogurt. something on it.
What do you want? Raspberry? There's strawberry syrup.
Not no
Kinda
syrup.
watery.
No sweet.
Nothing sweet?
Not sweet. Just
White chocolate?
yeah.
There he goes.
Yeah.
What a combination, Eli.
Yeah.
I'm a bit disturbed.
Hey.
What's up? $32.20.